let's talk a little bit about design first. A designer understands their user. Understanding of the user is required in every field. Unless until you understand the psyche, you can't sell it, right? You have to have that connection. Empathy is literally immerse into user and context instead of jumping directly to a solution. So we have to understand this whole ecosystem.
Sure, we got like this is internal thing. We should focus on this.
This is just like a framework for us to help think in a certain way.
Everybody be on the board, start typing the ideas.
Make the post-it bigger.
Is everyone back? Say yes.
Yes, yes.
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 Yes, yes.
Yes.
Now the fun begins. So what we have to do is now we have to give characters and personas to your identified user. We have exactly 10 minutes to do this.
स्टूडेंट जॉब टाइटल और सेमेस्टर अच्छा फर्स्ट ईयर अच्छा इसको एक नाम देना है नेक्स्ट ईयर से पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट ईयर
My time is running 10 minutes we have.
Okay, so is everyone back? Final yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
न्यूट्रल क्यों दिया यार?
काफी पॉपुलर है, बढ़िया.
बीडी को छुपा के रखना पड़ता है ना.
जुगाड़ level is बाजीगर level. Awesome, बाजीगर. That is all for today. In the coming sessions, we are going to design solutions keeping these personas in mind and these users as the focal point. I hope you had fun and we'll see you again.
Very interactive and the boards were created very well organized.
It was very interactive and nice.